I have attempted to track my habits probably like 1,000 times. I've tried the bullet journal, even Notion. But the problem is I have yet to develop the habit of tracking my habits. Hey, what's up guys? It's Nikki and I'm back again with an automation demonstration. And this time I'm using Siri shortcuts to update my habit tracker. So I've cloned the shortcut that we created in my last video. If you haven't seen that, I'll put a link up above. First things first, I'm going to copy my webhook into my new shortcut. Instead of my task database, I'm going to connect Notion to my habit tracker. And you can see my fields here. Now let's run this to get some test data. In order to connect it to the data that the shortcut is bringing in, we want to click Map. For the date, I'm going to tell Integromat to enter the date of the day that I created the entry. So we're going to have to format this. We're going to click the little calendar up at top and click Format Date. Place the Now button after the open parentheses. And then after the semicolon, we're going to enter the format of our date. We're now ready to run our shortcut. Let's do it side by side so you see how this all looks. I'm taking this a step further and creating an automation. So now every night at 8 p.m., my phone sends me an alert to create an entry into my habit tracker. I no longer have any excuse not to keep up with this. Integromat has so many awesome iOS integrations. I've been having so much fun with these, and I can't wait to share them with you in later videos. If you've discovered an automation that you love, please comment below and share it with the rest of us. Remember to scoop up your freebies below, give this a like, and if you feel inclined, subscribe. Until next time, happy building in Notion.